Hello AFTA students. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Google form for your survey. So in your Drive you want to go to New, Google Form. Alright, and give your form a title. I'll call mine Emily's Survey. And then you need to ask a question. And so your question is the question that you put in your project proposal. So my question is, do you like ice cream? And then down here you need to put the answer choices. So I only have two answer choices, yes and no. Okay, you may want to make the question required. You can turn that on to make it required. And if you click up here, it should take the title of your survey and make it the title of your file. So then all you need to do is send this to people. You're going to go to send. And I usually use the link. Do not check the automatically collect box there. Don't do that because then the survey is not anonymous. So I like to use the link. You can copy it or you can make it shorter and then you can copy it. Okay, and then you can post this in the stream for our class. So let me go to our class. So in your class, you can go to the stream and you can type your name. This is Emily. Please fill out my survey. And then you paste it there, and then you'll click post. And that will share it for the class, and everybody can answer your survey, and that would give you a convenient sample of the whole class. Another thing that you can do is you can take your survey and you can share it on social media. That would give you a voluntary response sample, or you could use the random number generator on the list that your teacher gives you, and then you can send it through mail to those people. All right, after people have answered your survey, you will see in your copy of the survey the responses over here. So you can click on responses. It does give you a graph, which is helpful. You can snag that graph if you want. And you also get to go here for create spreadsheet. And if you do that, it will give you a spreadsheet of your answers. So it says, do you want to create a new spreadsheet? Yes, create. And that will come up as another file, and then you have a list of answers here. You don't really need the timestamp, but you might just want to put this whole list into your report.